Hi guys! Creating an Apple ID is your gateway to accessing Apple's ecosystem, including the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, iMessage, and more. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your own Apple ID on various devices, ensuring you can enjoy all that Apple has to offer. Let's get started. First, choose your device. You can create an Apple ID on an iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even through the web on any computer. Decide which device you're most comfortable with. Open any browser on any device and look for appleid.apple.com. Click Create your Apple ID and follow the on-screen steps. Enter your information. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, birthday, day, month, and a year, and email address. This email will be your new Apple ID. Also, if you already had Apple ID, you can't use the same email address. Now, choose a strong password that meets Apple's requirements to keep your account secure. Password must have 9 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least one number. Now type your phone number and choose the way you want to verify it. And last thing here is to type characters in the image and tap on Continue button. Apple will send a verification code to your phone you provided. Enter the verification code to confirm your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through Apple's terms and conditions and the privacy policy. If you agree, proceed by clicking Agree. Congratulations! You now have an Apple ID, which unlocks a world of possibilities with Apple services and devices. Now let's come to our iPhone. If you already used Apple ID and you need to change it for new on Open Settings and tap on Apple ID right under the search. Now scroll down till the end and tap on Sign Out. Now you will be able to log in with a new Apple ID. Thank you for watching.